Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
And publicly, I want to condemn the Finance Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Palanivel Thiagarajan, for having insulted, not me, insulted a small state like Goa, and also insulted all the small states. His case is, he says, because I am a big state, I should have a bigger voice and my vote should be counted as more than one. I asked him, which world are you living? And is this the thinking of the DMK? Is this the thinking of the Congress? Because ultimately, Congress and DMK fought elections together. That means, do they not believe in democracy? I take strong offense to this. This is an affront to the smaller states. It is being said, I am the big brother, you shut up, you small brother. Something like that is being said. How can he say such a thing? I want the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Mr. M.K. Stalin, to condemn his minister for making such a statement and make him apologize.
जुना उपरांत कंपेन्सेशन सेस बंद जातलो. ल्हान राज्यांच्या येणावळ आणि अर्थव्यवस्थेचेर वेगळी बसका आफोवची म्हूण माविनाची मागणी.
Augmentation of revenue of the smaller states as well as the big state, how it should be done. A separate meeting we asked for. So I said there has to be out of the box thinking, out of the box solution to come out of not only the pandemic, to come out of the bad financial situation. And I said compensation cess is very much linked to that, because compensation cess, as you know, will stop after June 2022. What do we do after that?
गोंयाक अजून 850 कोटींचे कंपेन्सेशन मेळपाचे आसा. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी स्वप्नील तारी.